and let it take what it wants. You found me when my soul was tired, eyes full of storms, heart wired. I was dancing with my demons slow, smiling the moons that felt so cold. You touched my scars like they were gold, stayed when my truth got hard to hold. Everybody ran when the sky turned gray. You lit a match and you made me stay. If the road gets dark, if the walls cave in, if the world says run, I run straight in. If the night gets loud and the flames get high, put your hand in mine. I'll walk in the fire for you, through the smoke, through the heat, I'll move. Even if it burns me down to true, I'll walk in the fire for you. I'll stand in the flames for you. When your world falls apart, I won't move. Even heaven knows what I do. I'll walk in the fire for you, fire for you. Fire for you. Oh, I'll walk through the fire for you, fire for you. No fear when it comes to you. Your tears in my skin like rain, washing away